Welcome back, guys, to Brighten Up Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Today, we're exploring some easy and practical frugal tips that can actually help save you some money and hopefully save it really fast. These tips hopefully will work, and also the best part about them is they do not require you to sacrifice the quality of your life. So we're going to jump right into the frugal living tips, but before we do, guys, we have to understand where our money is going. So, a practical thing to do is write down each purchase you make for one solid week. And this will make you more mindful and set the foundations for frugal habits. It'll also help you identify your wants versus your needs. If you track your spending for at least 1 week, you will often find small leaks. Maybe it's your daily coffees, your online shopping, or your eating out, because those daily leaks will actually add up really quick. So here's the key takeaway. When you know where your money goes, you gain control over it. So awareness is going to be the first step in effectively saving money. Okay, and now number 2, start practicing the 24-hour rule. What is this? Well, impulse buying can drain your wallet. So here is going to be the powerful habit, the 24-hour rule. If you see something you just can't live without, but it's not food, it's not gas, it's not essential, you have to wait 24 hours. Because often the urge will fade and save you money by skipping that unnecessary purchase. And online shopping can actually make impulse buys even easier. Removing the saved credit cards from your favorite shopping sites actually will have to have longer time to put in all that information when you check out, giving you time to reconsider the impulse buys. So don't store the credit cards online. Okay, so the takeaway here was waiting 24 hours helps you separate your wants from your needs and reduces spending on things you might regret later that were unnecessary. Okay, now the next tip, number 3, buy generic brands and save more. If you go ahead and you switch to store brands or generic brands for everyday items, you can save a surprisingly amount of money over time. Okay, so you want to start small though. Try generic for basic items like your pasta, your rice, your cleaning supplies, and most of the time you will find the quality is very similar to the name brand, but at a much lower cost. Now, read your labels for quality because many generic brands are made by the same manufacturer as name brands. Just check the ingredients to make sure you're getting the same quality, and then voila, enjoy the savings. And number 5, embrace DIY, because by doing this, you're going to cut your savings cost. So go ahead and brew your coffee at home, make your simple home repairs, do your DIY cleaning products, because DIY habits are going to save you money, they're going to teach you skills, and often work just as well as paying for services. Okay, tip number 6 is get thrifty with entertainment and recreation. You do not have to cut out fun out of your life just to save money. So here are some frugal ways to enjoy yourself without overspending. How about library perks? I mean, libraries are gold mines for frugal entertainment. And what about free community events? Go ahead and look through like Facebook Marketplace and stuff like that. Often people will put on there free events for the community, like outdoor movies, concerts, festivals. So check those out. Check out nature for activities like hiking, picnics, or beach day, because nature, guys, is free and that's going to save you a lot of money. So with a bit of creativity, you can enjoy quality time without splurging and you will save money. And tip number 7 is adopt a minimalist mindset, because living a minimalist lifestyle does not mean owning nothing. It means only keeping things that add value to your life. And this approach naturally leads to frugal living. So go ahead, declutter regularly, think long term, and buy used where possible. Minimalist saves money and helps you value the things that you already own. And today's conclusion is, there you have it, simple frugal tips that can help save you some money fast, build habits that work, and remember, the path to financial freedom does not have to mean you sacrifice the quality of your life. It's about finding smart ways to keep more of what you earn and live intentionally. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you thumbs up today's artwork, and I hope you enjoyed it. As always, the sun always rises. Keep shining, keep saving money, learn how to budget, and check out the rest of the videos that we have. And if you have a topic you want me to cover, well, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video, which should be popping up anytime now. Thanks, guys. Remember, progress, not perfection. See ya.